Every night before my Viva, I've never slept. I've like hardly slept for 2 to 3 hours.
So let's solely focus on practicals now. How do you approach for your practicals? How do you prepare for your Viva examination? Because that is something that is, giving anxiety attacks literally to everybody. Every night before my Viva, I've never slept. I've like hardly slept for 2 to 3 hours because the syllabus used to be so vast and हमें ऐसे आदत हो जाती है कि theory paper खत्म हो गया तो practicals तो हो ही जाएगा. But ऐसा नहीं होता because practical का syllabus बहुत ही ज़्यादा vast होता है and it's very very important. The practical aspect is gonna be there. Like physiology में examinations की बात कर ली जैसे मैंने, it is gonna be there for you. It's gonna be there with you for lifelong. So it's very very important to focus on the practicals as well. Although not investing much time, but yeah, you should score quite decent marks because you cannot fail in practicals. Well, the physiology practicals are very very easy. You just have few experiments like hematological experiments आपको perform करनी है and बाकी ECG and all आता है, फिर spirometry उस पर focus करो and journal अच्छे से पढ़ो. मैं और कोई भी practical handbook या कुछ ऐसे refer नहीं करती थी. मैंने कोई भी reference book नहीं refer किया. I've just solely stuck to the syllabus of MBBS and it's pretty chill. It just works wonders. It does wonders. So yeah, I got 84 in physiology practicals of my university examination and the externals were also extremely impressed by me and they even complimented that you have answered very well. You have to be thorough with your theory also, बट या प्रैक्टिकल परफॉर्म करने भी अच्छे से आना चाहिए. हीमाटोलॉजिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट्स का भी अच्छा खासा वेटेज होता है एंड आई यूज्ड टू हैव दैट फियर ऑफ फ्रिकिंग माई फिंगर बट I had prayed that I get an easy experiment and luck का भी factor होता है. So I got the experiment that I literally wanted, that hemoglobin perform करने आ जाए and blood grouping का आ जाए क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा easy मेटोलॉजिकल experiments है. वरना WBC RBC का थोड़ा टफ होता है बट आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो हो जाएगा. रिविजन प्रैक्टिकल्स है तो उसे अच्छे से अटेंड करो, वो इंपॉर्टेंट है. टॉकिंग अबाउट बायोकेमिस्ट्री, वेल बायोकेमिस्ट्री में केसेस आते हैं, यूरिन रिपोर्ट आता है, एबनॉर्मल यूरिन के एनालिसिस एंड परफॉर्मिंग ऑल द टेस्ट. आई थिंक यू वुड बी थरो विद परफॉर्मिंग विद यूरिन सैम्पल्स बिकॉज वो आप फर्स्ट डे ऑफ बायोकेमिस्ट्री प्रैक्टिकल से करने वाले. तो यू विल बी वेरी वेरी थरो विद द टेबल दैट इज गिवन इन अ जर्नल. यू हैव टू बी थरो विद अ जर्नल एंड उससे रिलेटेड जो भी थियोरेटिकल टॉपिक्स है उन्हें बस रिवाइज करो एंड गो थ्रू. द ग्रैंड वाइवा इज बेसिकली अबाउट अ सिलेबस. सो थ्योरी में अच्छे से आपने पढ़ा है तो रिवाइज करके हो जाएगा अच्छे से. दस नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट. बायो केमिस्ट्री में वही इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप सारी रिएक्शंस अच्छे से मगअप करके रखो और जर्नल बहुत अच्छे से गो थ्रू करो. बायो केमिस्ट्री में कुछ भी पूछ लेते हैं टीचर्स एंड मेरे सबसे डिफिकल्ट प्रैक्टिकल्स बायो केमिस्ट्री के होते थे. आई डोंट नो वाई बट हमेशा दे यूज्ड टू आस्क सच क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट नॉट बी एबल टू आंसर. आई यूज्ड टू बी टोटली कंफ्यूज्ड व्हाइल इवन परफॉर्मिंग टेकिंग द सैम्पल. I would also recommend you all to go through YouTube videos for your practical examination. जैसे फिजियोलॉजी के बहुत अच्छे अच्छे एग्जामिनेशन के वीडियोस हैं ऑनलाइन, तो आपको एक अच्छा आइडिया जाएगा कि आपको कैसे परफॉर्म करना है, कैसे बोलना है. एंड यू शुड ऑलवेज स्टैंड ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ द patient. You should wear a stethoscope. You should be dressed well before your Viva. All those will give you an extra edge and you should be confident the way you have to speak. And if you don't know the answer, what should be your answer? If you don't know to answer, you should say sorry ma'am and maybe you're not able to recollect, but you should just keep on blabbering there because it will give a very very negative impression to the examiner. See, anatomy is having various sections. It has embryology, it has histopath, then it is also having Viva of hard parts and soft parts and radiology. See, radiology is सबसे ज़्यादा scoring है. You have to go through radio which is given behind the BDC and you'll get through it. You can also watch YouTube videos. It is very very helpful, I'm telling you. Okay, and हमारे कॉलेज वाले हमें PDFs देते थे and we used to go through them in details and it's easy to revise also. 5-10 marks का होता है, I think X-ray से related जो भी Viva रहता है. Talking about histopathology, you have to be thorough with all the diagrams which are given, and if not then you should just go through the major ones at least, and you should know at least 3 to 4 basic points. and you drawing को लेकर अगर आपको ज़्यादा stress हो रहा है तो it's okay if you don't practice a diagram. You just have to focus. You should know how to focus the microscope because आपको माइक्रोस्कोप में जो देखेगा आप वो बना सकते हैं. वैसे भी आप जो बोलते हो एग्जामिनर को उस पर ज़्यादा मार्क्स आते हैं rather than what you have written. टॉकिंग अबाउट एम्ब्रियोलॉजी. सी एम्ब्रियोलॉजी में बहुत सारे एम्ब्रियोलॉजिकल मॉडल्स होते हैं जिन्हें आपको गो थ्रू करना है एंड उससे रिलेटेड थ्योरी पढ़नी है. एंड देयर आर गोइंग टू बी स्पेसिफिक मॉडल्स दैट योर कॉलेज विल टेल यू एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू गो थ्रू दैट. सो इट्स नॉट अ बर्डन टू प्रिपेयर फॉर योर एम्ब्रियोलॉजिकल वाइवा. इट्स वेरी इजी. टॉकिंग अबाउट सॉफ्ट पार्ट्स, देन it is a very very vast thing. You should go through everything, whatever the location is, how do you present, how do you hold that particular organ in your hands, you know, what's the anterior surface, posterior surface, you know, the borders, like अगर liver आ गया, you know, major organs तो बहुत अच्छे से करके जाने हैं आपको, especially thorax में either a heart or a lung can be there, so you have to be thorough with both of them. And if you're lucky enough, the examiner will give you the choice, so you should at least have 1 to 2 soft parts like of every section of a body that you should be thoroughly prepared with. कि अगर आपके पास ऑप्शन आ गया, if your luck is with you, then you should be knowing कि 100% आता है कि हाँ ये ऑर्गन आपने पकड़ा, एग्जामिनर ने आपको चॉइस भी दी और आपने बहुत ही कॉन्फिडेंटली अच्छे से पढ़ा है उसको डिटेल्स में. एंड you know, it's just the theory that you have to prepare with, but it's very very important that you know and you revise the soft parts before the main examination. So you should attend the revision practicals because it actually helps. If you go to hard parts, throughout the year you might have marked all the important prominences and attachments, insertions on the bones, and you just have to revise them properly, and you should know how to hold that particular bone in your hand and of which side of the body that bone. Well, many times the examiner will also ask you to, you know, show how two bones are joined together. जैसे एक shoulder joint कैसे बनाओगे आप, pubic symphysis को कैसे join करके pelvis कैसे बनेगा, and you know femur के attachment कैसे है टिबिया और फिबुला से. एंड आपको पता होना चाहिए कि यार अपर लिम्ब के कौन से बोन्स है, लोअर लिम्ब के कौन से बोन्स है. और अगर आपको कन्फ्यूजन हो रहा है तो प्लीज़ बिफोर हैंड आप उसे क्लियर करो, अपने फ्रेंड से पूछ लो या यूट्यूब पे देख लो, गूगल कर लो, या कोई ऐप्स है आपके पास उनको रेफ़र कर लो. एंड वैसे तो BDC में भी दिया हुआ है तो उसको रीड करके भी आप अच्छे से पढ़ सकते हो. सबसे ईजी तो हम सबके लिए क्लाविकल होता है, सबको ही पता है. अगर हम ब्रेन की बात करें तो ब्रेन में सारे फरामेंट्स अच्छे से पढ़ने चाहिए. बहुत ईजी है वैसे स्कल तो, आई फाउंड इट वेरी ईजी. एंड सूचर्स एंड ऑल इज ऑल्सो एक्सट्रीमली ईजी एंड इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड उसका भी पूछेंगे लाइक यू नो दे लिटरली इंसर्ट, सपोज दिस इज अ pen, they will also have a, you know, metallic stick or something, and they will insert through the foramens of the brain, like this is the foramen of the skull, and they're going to be inserting it, something like that. And they will ask you that what are the components of that particular foramen, what are the nerves and the arteries which are passing through that part of the brain, that foramen. So you should be knowing it. It's very very important because, you know, if you're opting for becoming a neurosurgeon or something, and वैसे भी in general you should be knowing about it, and what will happen if there is some injury or some damage to that particular nerve or that particular vessel. If I speak honestly, it is very very important for you to be sincere in your first year because it is one of the most difficult years of MBBS. You're totally new to the profession, you're new to the subjects, and you don't have much idea about how you have to prepare for these exams, how you have to write the answers. And there is a transition from, you know, taking the MCQs and writing lengthy answers, you know, which are 5 to 6 pages long, and you literally have to sit for 3 hours, give viva and practicals, and you know, face so many teachers together, face so much academic stress back again. So there's a whole lot of transition which is going on mentally and physically, emotionally, in all aspects. Let me add one more point. Group study is an amazing thing. You know, anatomy के लिए, physiology के लिए, you should actually sit in a group of 4 to 5 people and discuss it. हम भी ऐसा करते थे कि हम ना टॉपिक्स आपस में डिवाइड कर दिया करते थे, एंड हर एक इंसान एक टॉपिक पढ़ता था एंड वो यू नो सामने वाले को एक्सप्लेन करता था. तो इससे क्या हो जाता है कि आपने जो टॉपिक पढ़ा वो आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ चुका है और आप एक्सप्लेन भी करें दूसरों को, एंड जो दूसरे एक्सप्लेन करे इससे आपका टाइम भी बच रहा है बिकॉज सिलेबस बहुत ज़्यादा वास्ट होता है. एंड काफ़ी बार ऐसा होता था कि हम बस एक रात पहले सिलेबस खोल के बैठ रहे हैं, जो बहुत ही बड़ी गलती है जो आपको नहीं करनी चाहिए. बट it's okay. MBBS exams are all about pulling an all-nighter, giving the exam, then, you know, living on 2 to 3 hours of sleep and still giving the exam next year because you have continuous papers which are back to back. You know, you don't have any sort of gap in between your internals. University के लिए आपको मिलता है vacation, and the preparatory leave, oh my god, is such a crucial point because it is extremely the phase where, you know, it's going to decide that okay, if you're working harder than PL, then you are definitely going to pass, and if not, you're going to fail. See, MBBS is much more importantly about passing and failing rather than, you know, scoring awesome marks or getting a distinction. And even if you don't get a distinction or anything, it's okay, it's fine. Pass hona hi bahut badi baat hai. It's such a difficult course. It's such, you know, it's a professional exam, and not everyone is entering MBBS. And if you have entered MBBS, then you're intelligent. It's already proven, so you don't have to worry much, but you just have to be consistent so that you become a good doctor ultimately. So that should be your ultimate goal, to study everything. first 2-3 months of my first year MBBS were just spent by me figuring out that how are you supposed to study, how are you supposed to start, what should be your approach. That was the big question that I used to have, and I did not have any interaction with seniors that would guide me. But slowly you will figure it out. You just have to go with the flow. That's very, very important. You just have to keep on reading and giving the exam and appearing for it. First internal is going to be a big chaos and your marks might drop. You might also fail in some subjects, but it is okay. What is important is that you get an idea of how you have to change your studying pattern if you're not scoring good marks, and if you're scoring good marks, then how do you improve it further, how do you emphasize on important topics, important subjects, because सब कुछ important नहीं होता, but you should have a rough idea about everything, but you should focus and revise only those points which are extremely important and which are carrying a lot of weightage of marks. And if you need a video regarding second professional year, just let me know about it, because my results also came out last month. So I've scored pretty decent marks in my second year as well, and I'm hoping the same for third year. And I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and stay connected and stay tuned. Like the video, please give it a thumbs up.